Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can download the official Windows 10 ISO from the Microsoft website itself. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. This is the official Microsoft website, and by default you will see a page like this. Now if you click on download now, this will download Windows 10 installation media, not the Windows 10 ISO. So what you need to do is right click on this page and click on inspect. In your case, you might be seeing this window to the right side. In any case, this does not matter. What you want to do is you want to click on this icon. So this toggle device emulation icon here on top left, just click on it, and by default you will not see something like this. You'll just see responsive and you will see this page. Nothing will be changed. Now what you need to do is change this to any device so that your browser appears to be being used on a phone. So I'll just click Samsung Galaxy A51, and once you have done this, I'll just reload the page. And after you have reloaded, you can just zoom in here to, let's say, 100%, scroll down, and you'll get this. Now you'll get an option to choose Windows 10 edition. I'll just choose Windows 10 multi edition ISO. Click on confirm, and after it has been confirmed, you'll get to choose the language. I'll just choose English United States or English International. Click on confirm again, and after a while you will get these download options: 64-bit download or 32-bit download. Now I'll just click on 64-bit download, and as you can see, the ISO download has started. Now this is how you can download the Windows 10 official ISO from Microsoft website itself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.